Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up a Gofundme or how to start a Gofundme. The first thing you will need to do is go onto gofundme.com. Once you have done that, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on Start a Gofundme. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and all you'll have to do is simply put in your zip code and also the purpose of your GoFundMe. Then you can see who are you fundraising for, and you can select the option. So for example, I will say myself, then tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can enter your starting goal. So let's say $1,000. Then to see right here, to receive the money, you please make sure the person withdrawing has a US social security number, a bank account, and a mailing address in one of the 50 states. Then you're going to tap on continue. After you have done that, you're going to enter your first name, last name, email address, confirm email address right there, and you're also going to create a password. Once you have done all of that, you can tap on sign up in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have finished the sign up process, you'll be led to a new page on which you'll choose whether you want to receive a text to verify your phone number or a voice call. After you have entered your phone number, you will be led to this page on which you can add a cover photo or video. After doing that, you'll tap on continue. Let me add a cover photo real quick. So for example's sake, I'll simply go into downloads and I'm going to add a random thumbnail just for example's sake. So let's say for example this photo right here, and I'll simply tap on open and you can see it there. I'll tap on done. Then after you have done that, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After you have added that, you can see give your fundraiser a title. Once on this page, you're going to add a title. Then after you have added a title, you're going to scroll down and you're going to type in your story right here. After doing that, you're going to tap on complete fundraiser in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on complete fundraiser, you're going to give it a few seconds as they design your GoFundMe right here. Once they're finished, you can see your fundraiser is ready to share. So you can decide whether you'd like to share it right away, or you could tap on skip right here. Now this is how your GoFundMe dashboard looks. From here, you'll be able to see how close you are to your goal and how much donations you have collected. And if someone would like to donate, all they'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on donations. After tapping on donations, they'll tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then from there, they could enter their name, enter the donation amount. Then they could scroll down and they could fill in referred by. And you can see right here, hide this donation from the public. If they want, they could tap right there and then they'll tap on add. And that's basically it. Another thing that you'll also need to do, you're going to tap on transfers right here from the left hand menu option. And from here, you can connect your bank account. And this is necessary so that you can receive your GoFundMe donations. So you're going to simply tap on your bank account right here. And from here, you want to ensure that you have verified your email address. Once you have verified your email address, you can tap on add bank account so that you can link your bank information. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.